Hey, I'm Lee, an avid DIYer, and today I'm breaking down a question I get asked a lot. What is the best torque settings to use on a Ryobi drill? If you're tired of overdriving screws, stripping heads, or wondering what those numbers even mean, this video is for you. By the end of the video, you'll know what torque settings to do, how to choose the right one for your job, and when to ignore the clutch completely. Let's jump in. So let's get started. Torque is the twist force the drill applies on your Ryobi drill. The clutch ring, that number dial around the chuck here, so this is the chuck and this is your clutch ring here. This controls how much torque is used before the motor stops spinning. So if I put it on a low setting and I press my trigger, apply force to the chuck, the clutch kicks in and stops the bits from turning. So watch, like that. Think of it like a volume knob, but for twisting power. Ryobi drills typically have 1 all the way up to 20 plus. This one has 24 torque power. Lower numbers, so down in the ones here, so these numbers equal low torque, great for soft materials and small screws. Higher numbers, best for tougher materials or large screws. So here's a guide for your torque settings. So your torque settings 1 to 4 is best for softwood, drywall or plastic. 5 to 8 is best for pine, MDF, basic household screws. 9 to 14 is best for hardwood and longer screws. 15 plus is best for deck screws, large bolts and tougher materials like concrete. If you ask me for a tip, always start low and then move up if your drill is not driving the screw fully. So start low. If the clutch kicks in and you've not fully driven the screw, move the clutch up. Carry on driving until you've fully driven the screw. Your Ryobi drill has a mode selector. Drill mode, now no clutch. Once you're in drill mode, this gives you the full power of the drill. The clutch is disabled. Use this when you're drilling holes or driving screws into a very dense material and you don't mind manual control. But if you're doing general screw driving, stick with the screw mode here and you'll be able to activate the torque. So that's the scoop on the Ryobi torque settings. If it helps you out, give it a like, subscribe and drop a comment. What torque settings do you usually use? Or do you go full and send the drill into drill mode? Thanks for watching. I'm Lee and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and happy drilling.